How to summarize long articles using AI tools. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you have been tired of reading long articles and research papers, in this video I'll show you how you can easily summarize any article instantly using free and powerful AI tools. It will be perfect for students, content creators, or anyone who wants to take key points fast. First thing you need to do is open an AI summarizing tool like ChatGPT. You could even use Quillbot, Smoothing, or Scholarcy. These tools can turn text into short, clear summaries in seconds. You can start by copying the article or web text you want to summarize. So let's just go ahead and find a text to summarize. So I've found this online article about monkeys over here. What I'm going to do is copy all of these texts. So I'll just drag all the way to the bottom of the paragraph to select this. I'll copy the text over here now. And then once you copy it, you can go over to your AI summarizing tool like ChatGPT. Now paste the text, and then you can add your prompt, something like summarize this article in 5 bullet points or something like that. So I'll just do summarize in 5 bullet points and hit enter. And if you're using Quillbot Summarizer, you can choose between key sentences mode or paragraph modes, which will give you short bullet points while paragraph mode gives you natural summary. There are other tools for Chrome users as well, like you can install AI summary extensions like Glasp or Atify to summarize your YouTube videos, news, or even web pages. And as you can see here, ChatGPT has given me a 5 bullet points of this entire text. That's basically it, guys. You just learned how you can summarize long articles using AI tools. You can save time while keeping all of the important info. If you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.